Area of the triangle ABC, if angle A is equal to 75, angle B is equal to 45 and small a is equal to 2 into root 3 plus 1 is. What is the area of the triangle? We want to find the area of the triangle. Two angles are given, AB. So first we find the third angle. Given that A is equals to 75, B is equals to 45, then C angle. A plus B plus C is equals to 180. So a plus B, 75 plus 45 plus C is equals to 180. Then 75 plus 45, 120 plus C is equals to 180. Then C is equals to 60 degrees. Angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Now and again I am applying the sine rule. That is A by sine A is equals to B by sine B. A by sine A is equals to B by sine B. Small a value is given as 2 into root 3 plus 1 by sin A. Sin A is equal to 75. Sin 75 value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is equals to B value. No B value is given, so B by sin B. B is equals to 45, then and sin 45 is equals to 1 by root 2. Here these values are cancelled, therefore the value of B is equals to 2 into 2, 4. So value of B is equals to 4. Therefore the area of the triangle formula, area is equals to half AB sin C. This is the area of the triangle formula. Now half into A value is given as 2 into root 3 plus 1 into B value 4 into C value sin C. C is equal to 60, sin 60 is equals to root 3 by 2. That is, here 2 is cancelled by 2 times and 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So the answer is 2 into root 3 plus 1 into root 3. That is 2 into root 3 into root 3. 3 plus root 3. And multiplying by 2 here. That is 6 plus 2 root 3. So 6 plus 2 root 3, which is the last option. In triangle ABC, if 3A is equal to B plus C, then cot B by 2 into cot C by 2 is equals to. So we want the value of cot B by 2 into cot C by 2 given that 3A is equal to B plus C. So this is the given value, 3A is equals to B plus C. We want the value of cot B by 2 into cot C by 2 is equals to cot B by 2 into cot C by 2. Cot B by 2 formula square root of S into S minus B by S minus A into S minus C into cot C by 2. Cot C by 2 formula square root of S into S minus C by S minus A into S minus B. So here S minus B, S minus B, S minus C, S minus C. Let's cancel. Now this is equals to square root of S into S. S is squared by S minus A into S minus C. S minus A whole square. And this is nothing but S by S minus A. S squared by S minus A whole square under square root of which becomes S by S minus A. Now applying 2 to this fraction, 2S by 2S minus 2A. Applying 2. Then 2S. What's the value of 2S? 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. By again 2S is equals to A plus B plus C minus 2A. Now this is A plus B plus C. B plus C value is equals to 3A. Already given. A plus 3A by B plus C. B plus C is equals to 3A. 3A. A minus 2A. 3A minus 2A is equals to A. That is 4A by 2A equals to 2. That is the second option. If A bar plus XB bar plus YC bar is equal to 0 and A cross B plus B cross C plus A cross C is equal to 6 into B cross C, then locus of the point x comma y is. Locus of the point x comma y means we want to find the equation in terms of x comma y. So here the conditions are, second condition A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross C is equal to 6 into B cross C. So in this equation, first we have to convert the first and third terms are also which are in the form of B cross C. From that we are finding the equation. Further we are taking the first equation and to this equation first we are applying cross B and then we apply cross C to the first equation. So first equation is A bar plus X into B bar plus Y into C bar is equals to 0. Now first I am applying cross B to this equation, that is A cross B plus X into B cross B plus Y into C cross B is equals to 0. Applying cross B to the first equation. Clearly the value of B cross B is equals to 0, then it becomes 0. So A cross B plus Y into C cross B is equals to 0, which implies A cross B is equals to Y into B cross c, converting this value to that side, then that becomes minus a cross b, which is equals to b cross c. Minus a cross b, that is b cross c. So y into b cross c. Now again we are taking the first equation, which is a bar plus x into b bar plus y into c bar is equals to 0, and applying cross c to this equation, that is a cross c plus x into b cross c plus y into c cross c is equals to 0, and clearly here the value of c cross c is equals to 0. So from this, x into b cross c is equals to a cross c, converting this a cross c to that side, then that becomes c cross c. Equal to y into b cross c and x into b cross c is equal to c cross c. These are the values of a cross b and c cross c in terms of b cross c. Now we are substituting these two values in the given second equation. So what is the second equation? A cross b plus b cross c plus c cross a is equals to 6 into b cross c. Now in this equation we are substituting the above values. A cross b value y into b cross c plus b cross c plus c cross a value x into b cross c is equals to 6 into b cross c. Now b cross c. Crossing the term b cross c from that equation, then what it returns? Y plus b cross c, 1 plus x is equals to c at 6, that is x plus y is equals to 5. So answer is x plus 5 minus x plus y minus 5 equals to 0, which is the second option. X an acute angle with b bar and r dot a is equals to 0 and r cross b is equal to c cross b, then r bar is equals to r bar. We want the value of r bar. Given conditions are r bar dot a bar is equal to 0, r cross b is equals to c cross b. So first condition is r bar dot a bar is equals to 0. And the second condition is r cross b is equals to c cross b. Now we are applying a cross to this second equation, that is a cross r cross b is equals to a cross c cross b. Now taking the formula a cross b cross c. A cross b cross c is equals to a dot c into b minus a dot b into c. Applying the formula to these two terms. So applying the formula, a dot b into r bar minus a dot r into b bar is equals to first value into first value dot last value into second value minus first value dot second value into last value is equals to, again applying the same formula here also, first value dot second value, that is a bar dot b bar into c bar minus first value dot second value, that is a dot c into b bar. So clearly given that r dot a is equal to 0. R dot a is equal to 0 means the total time becomes 0. So this is equals to 0, which implies a dot b into r bar is equals to a dot b into c bar minus a dot c into b bar, which implies, but we want the value of r bar only. So r bar is equals to a dot b into c bar by a dot b minus a dot c into b bar by a dot b. So here a dot b gets cancelled. Therefore the value of r bar is equals to c bar minus a dot c by a dot b into b bar. C bar minus a dot c by a dot b into b bar, which is the third option. Hence x sin theta plus 1 minus cos theta into y is equal to a sin theta, and x sin theta minus 1 plus cos theta into y plus a sin theta is equals to 0. Intersected p of theta, then the locus of p of theta is the given straight lines intersected p of theta at the point P, then locus of p is equals to. So clearly the point of intersection of the given two lines is x comma y. Now we want the locus of point of intersection, that is locus of x comma y, means we want to find the equation in terms of x comma y. That means we have to eliminate the theta from the given equations. That is the problem. So we want to eliminate theta. So first we take the given lines. Given lines are, first line is x sin theta plus 1 minus cos theta into y is equals to a sin theta, and the second line equation is x sin theta minus 1 plus cos theta into y is equals to plus a sin theta is equals to 0. Now first we take the first equation as now x sin theta minus a sin theta is equals to minus of 1 minus cos theta into y. We are converting the first equation as like that, which implies taking sin theta common from these two terms, that is x minus a into sin theta is equals to minus of 1 minus cos theta into y. This is the first equation. Now converting the second equation, which is in the form of x sin theta plus a sin theta is equals to, writing the middle term to that side, then that becomes 1 plus cos theta into y. That is taking sin theta common from these two terms, sin theta into x plus a is equals to 1 plus cos theta into y. Now we are multiplying these two equations. X minus a into sin theta into x plus a into sin theta. X minus a into x plus a into sin theta into sin theta. Sin square theta is equals to minus of 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into y into y. Y into y is equals to y square. Now x minus a into x plus a. X square minus a square into sin square theta is equals to minus of 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos square theta into y square. Now 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Sin square theta gets cancelled. So x square minus a square is equals to minus y square. That is x square plus y square is equals to a square, which is the equation of the circle. So answer is second option.